So, ayan guys, magluto ulit tayo ng dinuguan. Ayan ang mga ingredients. Ayan. Ang ating onion, garlic, at saka sili, pork, and tugo. Ayan guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan. Ayan mga kalindog, while I'm preparing or cooking my dinuguan, having my breakfast first, the coffee and biscuit. Ayan. Nire-reserve ko, I reserve my stomach because I'm gonna eat the dinuguan. So guys, ayan. Let's drink coffee. Ayan. And having my cookies. So, ayan. Pakita nyo. Ang aking cookies is every day this is my breakfast every day, guys. Ayan, mga kalindo. Ang ating cookies, ayan. Ito ang tinatawag na butter cookies. And I put here in the coffee. Ayan, sinasawsaw ko dahil, masarap. Yummy. So, later on, para makakain ako ng rice with fish. Ayan guys, ha? So, let's wait the dinuguan while I'm cooking. I show you guys, ayan ha, na niluluto ko na. I'm making gisa-gisa na the dinuguan. Ayan, ayan mga kalindog. Mukulo na siya. Tayin lang natin mga kalindog. Sa inyo. Ayan. Ang ating lunch for today. Nag-watering na siya. Let's wait. Still. More watering. Ayan. Ayan mga kalindog, ang ating dinuguan. Ayan, almost done na. We can put na the sili haba. Ayan. There is the sili. So there we go. And now we need to put the blood. Ayan guys, ang dugo ng baboy. Ew. Ayan guys, ilagay na natin yung dugo ng baboy. Ayan. So halu-haluin lang natin siya ng haluin para, ayan guys, lagay na natin lahat kasi sayang din lang to eh. Diba? The more the merrier. Charot. Diba? So ayan guys. Ngayon, hahaluin na natin siya ng haluin para siya mamuo. Ayan guys, ganyan lang ating dinuguan, o diba? So, gawin natin siya. Let's continue to stir. Ayan, hanggang sa siya ay maging dark color. So, ayan guys ha, let's wait natin until matuyo na siya o maging oily, right? So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo later. Ayan guys, color dark na siya, diba? Not like before, the color is really red, yung blood na blood, ayan, and getting condensed, like ayan, lumalapot na siya. So, hintayin lang natin siya guys. Continue to stir. Ayan. Halo-halo lang. Tsaga-tsaga. Diba? Getting a dense na. Look at this. I show you. Right? Ayan. And getting dark color na. Like black color. Right? Haluin lang natin siyang haluin again. So, ayan guys. We're going today mukbang. Meron tayong dinuguan. Ayan, ating dinuguan na nagkamali. At meron tayong fried fish. So, ayan mga kalindog. Kumain tayo. Let's eat. Wait, I'm gonna get some. So, ayan mga kalindog. Kain tayo. Why? Oh, Let's talk while I'm eating. Ayan guys, yung aking dinuguan na nagkamali ako really. Very dry ang aking dinuguan. Ang dami kasing dugo. So, oh my God. Yung dinuguan, oh. It's dry. So dry. So, ayan. How are you guys? Ayan. Mumukbang tayo. So, warm. Ayan guys, yung prito, it's so, the fried fish, it's so warm. Ayan, diba? So, kain tayo, mga kalindog. It's yummy. Kahit dry ang aking tinuguan. Ayan guys, ha? Pag tayo nagluto ng dinuguan, overcooking, huwag tayong manghinayang. Ayan. Kasi ang dami kong dugo, sabi ko sayang kung itatapon, nilagay ko, so it's not worth it. Hindi pala maganda. Kaya ayan, nag-dry siya. Para siyang sand. Para siyang lupa. Pa yan. So, kaya sayang, ayan guys. Pero, tsaga-tsaga. Kainin natin, kisa sayang na again, ayan. Diba? So, ayan ang resulta ng sayang. Diba? Right? But anyways, okay din naman. It's good, pero very dry. Nabuo siya, guys. Buti na lang meron tayong fried fish. Kung hindi, na nga. So, ngayon guys, yung dinuguan na wrong. Hindi ba? Para siyang naging lupa. It's not good. Hindi siya maganda. Not before I cook. My first dinuguan cook is perfect. So wala. Wrong na wrong. Hindi siya masarap. So they need to put the olive oil. Diba? Ayan guys. These are good. Mali ang luto natin. Hindi namin yan ko ng dugo. Well, by the way, pagtsagaan. So, ayan guys ha. Ubusin natin to. Dami ng fish. So, ayan guys. I'm almost done. Well, by the way, even my dinuguan is wrong. Is not perfect. Oh my God, guys! I don't know why I always bite my tongue and my lips when I'm eating. Maybe I'm so stressed, disappointed. Well, ayan guys, by the way, so thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy my video. So guys, thank you. So ayan, meron tayong ngayon pa tayong pasalamat sa lahat ng mga viewers, sa mga members. So thank you everybody. So guys, I hope that you enjoy my video. So I'm not feeling good today, so I'm sorry guys. So don't forget to smile even we're not good. Look at my lips, it's black because of the dinuguan. So guys, thank you, bye.